Welcome to Tony's Tractor Adventure.
Here at the 2018 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're checking out the new contenders here, the Lovols. They're a brand out of China. I've really been impressed with the tractors just looking over at their build quality. They use a Shibara Japanese engine, which is known for its quality. So take a look around with us. This is the Lovol TB554. It's got a Japanese Shibara engine in it. This one's 55 horsepower turbo. And I just want to let you look at the price point of this thing. It's air conditioner, heat, cool. The tractor is absolutely very, very simple. I'll go ahead and do a little walk around for you. Take a little look at the axles. These axles are massive for this size horsepower tractor. Now the tractor is made in China. The engine is made in Japan. But talking to the rep here, and said it's not had any issues with the transmission, and that it comes with a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. The thing that I really am fascinated with is the simplicity of the tractor. This tractor is there's nothing complicated about it. Easily be worked on at the farm by yourself without any kind of special tools. And if you look at how it's built, it's just built very, very heavy. And again, this is the 55 horsepower tractor. Take a look now with the hood up. Side panels come off real easy. It's like it's just a couple of small bolts to take the side panels off, and you have full access to the engine. But just super easy to do this. Super easy to work on. Everything is wide open. Doesn't have DEF. It's got a regen engine on it. I hope I'm saying the engine name right. I know the engine, and I know the engine name is good, Shibara, but it's a Japanese-made engine. But everything about this tractor, I just can't get over how easy it would be to work on. Everything is open and easy to get to. All right, we're going to take a look up in the cab. Big wide doors, easy to get into. It's got a rear windshield wiper, front windshield wiper. Big, nice, comfortable seat. It doesn't have armrests. That's something I would probably want, but with all the levers and controls, that may get in the way. So we'll make a determination when I set in the tractor. I'm grabbing hold of the handle here. Something I just noticed off the bat. This is welded to the frame. It's not flexing any, and I'm a pretty big boy. Let's go ahead and step up in the tractor and see what it's all about. All right, it's got a really nice spring-loaded seat that's adjustable. Seat slides back and forward. Looks like it's got a foot throttle. And here's your hand throttle. Shuttle shift forward and reverse. Let's see, low, medium, high transmission. And then so it's a 3-range transmission, and then you have a 4-speed transmission behind that. And the representative also said that it is fully synchronized, so you can shift gears while you're going down the road if you're moving the tractor from the field. It's got a sunroof. You don't see that every day. It's got a sunroof, fully climate controlled. See if I can get you. It's kind of dark in this area we're in. This is an external tent area. It's got, let's see here, it's got air conditioner vents all the way around. Alright, it's got speakers mounted here on the left and right. And then coming with the tractor included is, you got your stereo already pre-mounted in there. It's just a radio, but you can put anything you want in. You got your hydraulic control levers here. I don't know this for sure, but I believe this is going to have a cruise control on it. So you can, if you're out cutting in the, cutting hay or something, you can set it. It's got a little digital display over here on the side. Alright, built into it, it's got a 540 1000 RPM PTO. Shift back and forth. On the left side is your parking brake, and then down at the bottom left of your foot is the lever to put it in four-wheel drive. Alright, it's a little dark still, as I said earlier, but if you looked at your right heel, that's where you there's a pedal there that you can push down to lock your axle. It's got dual brakes left and right, and then your clutch is to the left as standard in any tractor. Just a solid built tractor. I'm very impressed with it. It has there's your defrost on the front windows. It does have defrost on the rear windows. So pretty much everything about the tractor is simple, and solid. Let me step back here and give you a little bit better picture. This tractor is available with a front loader and quick connect. Just a really well rounded tractor for that price point of $26,000.